We have arrived. Good morning. Good morning from San Diego. Guys, we're getting that morning sunlight. Nothing better than that. So today is a new day. It's about 6:30 a.m. I'm gonna start working now. Big fan of what's going on right now with the sun out, with the ocean. Life is good. Time to start work. He's got a bathing suit on. We're gonna try and get him in the water. We'll see what happens. So it's 60 in San Diego, and we're gonna go in the water. Where? Taking a break from work. We've been on our computers all day long. We need a break. Jacket on the beach because it's a little cold out here, but we're still soaking up the sun. Still loving it. The water is cold. We're going in the water.
This guy, I swear.
It's about that time. You ready?
Nope.
Let's go. Let's go. That was cold.
Crazy.
All right, we are done with the water. Now it is time to go back to the crib. But damn, these views are insane. Let's do it. The casita. We are back. We got the chef on the eggs.
Hey man, and they say Greggy rhymes with Eggy for a reason.
We got the avo going.
Thank you. Your Eggies too.
Ooh, look at this.
Yes sir, yes sir. Whoa. Louis, man.
Okay, Sam.
Hey, where'd it go?
Hey. Look at this. Oh. Hey, sit. Sit, monster. All right, here you go.
What is this guy doing? Wow.
Yeah.
What an angle.
It looks like the beginning of like a big scheming movie where we have like the master plan.
Whoa.
So
Thank you guys.
Of course.
Incredible. We got the blue light blockers on. It's time to go to bed. Just working away. Getting it done. Feeling good. With a beautiful view. Check this out. Good morning from San Diego. A little bit of a cloudy morning, but we're gonna hit a nice morning walk. Always gotta get that morning sun. So, let's hit it. Little morning walk, enjoying it. That's how we start our mornings. Moving the body and getting some sun. Even though there's no sun, it still works. Look at that. We are back from the walk. It was a good one. Very nice. Welcome back to the crib. Time to eat some food. I think oranges are the most elite fruit.
I don't know, man. I'm a huge pineapple guy. Huge. Ew.
Some good fruit. Workout time. Finished up work. Now it's time for a workout.
here, so I still hate him for this shit though.
When I gotta run like a skater in the back of my truck.
Hello there. So guys, that is the end of the video. Very weird place to stop, I know. But to recap everything, trip was incredible to San Diego. Came home a little bit earlier than anticipated, but for good reason. Got a lot to do, got a lot of work to get done. So time to get back in the zone for a couple weeks and then we'll get back out there. Like I said, incredible trip. Also did not film much, did not film Coachella at all, but we did take the trip over to Coachella for the weekend, did some camping out there. Nice little reset with some friends. The vibes were incredible. I probably won't be doing Coachella again unless something comes up that makes me want to get out there. But regardless, I'll check off the list. Good times with good people and amazing music. So as always, I appreciate you watching. You guys are incredible for tuning into my life, for following along on the journey. So it is goodbye from me and it's goodbye from Canella. See you guys later.